Hi, let's get to it, because that's not what you're here for. No. Gosh, I freaking love SZA. She's such a queen. I try to sing like her, but as usual, I don't have any plans for what to do today, but I know that I'm gonna make something, so don't be scared. We're gonna get through this together. Let's pick out what we're gonna upcycle, because you know I got a boatload. And of course, this is a part of my upcycling series where I'm upcycling everything that I already have before I go shopping again. Because I have a lot of stuff. These look cool. All right, I don't know, okay? I don't know yet. This is the rest of, I made this denim top once and it was like this big dress, but then I kind of just like made a really simple top from the top half. I'll link that below because I have a video on it, cool. And then, oh man, I have this black denim too that my friend gave me last year, so sweet. I can't wait to, okay, I just don't know what I want to do with it. I want to do it right, you know what I mean? My friend also gave me this. Jeez, thanks Channing. It's so much fabric. It's like this black polka dotted polyester type of chiffon. Maybe let's look at Pinterest. Oh wait, look, I made my bed today. My room looks kind of nice, except for that, okay. Oh, did you see my stick DIY? I DIY'd a stick and made it into something that I hang on my wall now. So, you know, link below if you want to see that. Guys, I used to not even know what Pinterest was like a few months ago, and I'm obsessed with it. I can't stop pinning. I cannot stop pinning. And I'm sorry if you follow me right now because I can't stop pinning nail art. Something that I'll never do or go get done. I love it so much. Let's see what we can find here. Polka dot street style. I'm pinning this. I'm pinning this to my street style board. That is so cool. Like what? What? I love that. What I actually really wanted to do with this fabric is do like 2 types of polka dots. But I don't have that. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cool as well. Pinning. I just love the combination of the patterns. I think it works so well with polka dots. See this is the one that I saw. This one, I just love that. Like the big polka dots and the small. I'm really excited because I just remembered I have all these crazy trims that I got like last year. I'm feeling like I want to make something crazy with this polka dot fabric, like something super street style. Pinterest is inspiring me right now. I think that's gonna make up for like me not having another fabric to work with, you know what I mean? You know? Let's look at them. All right, look, here's one that I think would go cool. Come on, buddy. Focus. It's like this cool mustardy, really delicate lace. What do you think? What do you think? This stuff, it's like this burnt orange. It's technically like piping. Ugh. I also have this crazy fringe. I used this on that tennis racket DIY. I don't know about this though. Okay, you know what? I know myself, and after thinking about it, I don't think I'm gonna go crazy on this one. I'm just gonna do my best because this is chiffon, and chiffon is my worst nightmare. I think that I'm just gonna go with a boxy, loose type of top. Then once I have that made and know that I can wear it, maybe I'll add stuff to it. Okay, this is what I drew up really quick. So I'm just gonna like make up a loose top, and then I might add some really flowy cap sleeve type of things, and maybe like some little add-ons just on the top of the shirt. It's gonna be great. Okay, this is what both of my front and back pieces look like. I'm making them very oversized because I'm terrified of chiffon. So I'm just gonna sew the top right here, there, and the 2 sides together, right sides together. Then I'm gonna put it on and just go from there. Cool. Okay, so this is how that turned out. just as I expected and just as I wanted. So we're gonna go from here. And you know what I thought of? I was like, ooh, what if I kind of like bunched up, like didn't cut it off, but rather bunched it up, and by it I mean the shoulders, and kind of like tied a piece of fabric around. I like it. This is just a scrap, but it's kind of cool. I don't know, should I make it a v-neck? Okay. What am I gonna do now? But the problem is you can't really see this, and I kind of want it to be visible, you know? Should I make it a v-neck? Should I? What do I do? I'm a little stumped. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take it in a little bit. I'm gonna get rid of all this excess, and then I'll show you my idea of what I'm gonna do on top, okay? Puppy break! La 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 la
Who's a good boy?
This is my sister's dog. His name is Philly, and I have to let him out 2 times a week. And it's the greatest job I've ever had.
Oh.
La 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 la. Okay, Ian, let's get back to work. All right, Ian, what should I do?
What do you mean? What should you do?
Ian is like deathly afraid of the freaking camera.
Oh my goodness.
It's literally just me standing here.
I know, but it's a portal into everyone's homes. Oh, I'm so nervous.
Are you seriously?
Yeah, stop. Can you not see me like getting red? No?
Oh my god, this is insane.
I just feel so red.
I am standing here not doing anything.
Please, Sarah, stop.
Oh, thanks for your help. I think what I'm gonna do is make it a v-neck and then just throw some sleeves on there, which is not a thing because sleeves are really hard. So I'll go ahead and just try that out. All right, guys. I'm gonna shorten it from the front. I'm going to add sleeves on. They're gonna be like cap sleeves. And how I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna use these 2 pieces. I did this in like my last 2 videos, I think. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a basting stitch all the way down, and then I'm gonna gather it. So it's gonna be all ruffled at the top. And then I'm literally just gonna stitch it like from here to the back. It's not gonna go under. So it's gonna be super easy. And then I think we're gonna make it a v-neck. So I did that and I pretty much like it. I just sewed the sleeves right on top. And then I kind of wanted to add a bunch of these things on it. Like I'm just cutting out rectangles of fabric and then basting the top and pulling the threads so that it turns out really scrunched like that. And I think I kind of want to add them all over the front to like give it some texture, you know? So I'm gonna do that and we'll see how it turns out. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from. Don't be Not gonna lie, this was a little bit stressful, but I think it was worth it. Turned out pretty well. Maybe I should just never have a plan. No, probably not. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.